Hey there, my name is Adeola.kjv. How are you doing today? It's been a wonderful, should I say 7-8 weeks? It has stretched me. Let me first of all confess, it took a while before I could start these videos. I first of all went through the whole process of, hey, will I have to be doing makeup every time I'm going to do this thing? And then I crossed that hurdle and I said, the people that are watching me, they should use Makeup Eye to watch me. Then I went through the process of clothes. Am I gonna have to be changing my clothes all the time? And then it started to feel like it was weighing me down again, and I thought, you know what, people will love me regardless. What if I only had one shirt? Would people not watch me if I only had one shirt? They still will, because it's not about my clothes, it's about the message. And here I am again. I started to think again, oh my goodness, putting out 3 videos every week is not going to be stressful. But then guess what? I started seeing how people were watching my videos, and I started to say to myself, imagine if you didn't put these videos out there. How would people learn? How would people grow? People not only were watching the videos, but also commenting on my videos, asking me questions, wanting to speak to me offline. And for me, that just told me that there definitely is something that I'm doing or giving. And then I got to the place where I'm like, if people are really watching, I remember I saw one of my videos, it hit 8,000 views, and I'm like, no, I cannot stop, And so every time that I've hit a hurdle or I've hit a place where it might seem like overwhelm, I've been able to find a solution to it and keep on moving. And here I am today. Now, the only reason why I've been able to do all of the things that I'm able to do right now is because of all the help that I've gotten. And I've worked with the best, and I'm going to mention some of them: Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Marissa Peer, Vishen Lakiani, the whole Mind Valley family, Lisa Nichols, Bob Proctor, Rich Litvin, Louise Hay, Wayne Dyer, Anthony DeMello. I've worked with so many of the greats, I promise you, so many of them. And I've done courses, Neil Donald Walsh, Byron Katie. I mean, the list goes on and on. And I've done several courses, I've done one-on-one sessions, I've done therapy, I've gone through RTT myself, rapid transformational therapy. It changed my life. I saw how it changed my life. I decided to go and train for it and became a rapid transformational therapist myself and hypnotherapist. And it just keeps getting better and better, because I realized that I cannot do it on my own. I can try, but I cannot do it on my own. But when I work with mentors, coaches, therapists, then they're able to bring out the best in me. I'm able to learn from them, but not just them, learn from the people that they also have learned from. One of the things that I do is when I'm listening to, for example, Wayne Dyer, and he mentions, oh, I forgot to add Abraham Hicks. When he mentions somebody, I go and look for the person, and I download 1 or 2 videos of the person, and then I go back, listen to their books, listen to their audio, to their videos, and I learn from that person also. And if they mention someone else, I go and look for that person also. And that's how I've been able to work with phenomenal teachers, phenomenal mentors, phenomenal coaches. And that's why I'm able to dish out the wisdom that I dish out right now. And that's why I'm able to live the life of bliss that I now live. So where are you in your journey? Where are you at a place, at a crossroads at? Whether emotionally, whether mentally, whether physically, whether financially, whether in any area of your life, your health. Where are you? You need a coach. You need somebody that can help you. The truth is, the same ingredient that got you into something cannot get you out of it. So you need to seek help. You need to look for it. You need to find the right people. Some people may not be right. And I'm not sure if I've shared this story before. The first therapist I saw, and I put therapist in quote, was the wrongest person for me. But the good thing about it is that it sparked off something in me that made me realize that I could do better than this. And also it sparked off something in me that made me know that now that I know what bad is, I also know what good is. And so I also bless the fact pushed me to my greatness. And I can also push you to your greatness. Where do you want to be in 2023? We're about to round off 2022 and going into the new year. Where do you want to be financially? Where do you want to be emotionally? Where do you want to be physically? Where do you want to be spiritually? Where do you want to be in every area of your life? I can help you get there because I've found help. And I still am finding help. I still have people that I go to. I mean, if your therapist or your coach don't have coaches, then you're in the wrong place. Let me first of all throw that out there. So I still have mentors that I go to meet for support. It's called a blind spot for a reason. You're not able to see it, even if you tried. It's called a blind spot for a reason. It's a blind spot. But someone else on the outside can look at you and say, oh, have you thought about this? Thought about it this way? Do you want to do it this way? Can you apply yourself in that way? And immediately your life changes. And I've had so many of those people that have helped me change my life in every area of my life, and I still have them. So reach out to me today in whatever area you're looking at. I can help you in almost any aspect of the challenges that you're facing, almost any, because with the tools that I have, I can help you shape your life. I do not call myself a life giver for no reason, or I do not call myself a kingmaker for no reason. I've been able to make kings. Not only that, I've been able to make queens. Not only that, I've been able to work with my clients to give them their lives back, and they are living phenomenal lives now. And I'm so proud of the things that they're able to do and will still be able to do because they're still growing and will keep growing just as I am and just as you are. So remember today that seeking help is not from a place of weakness. Being vulnerable is not from a place of weakness. It's actually a strength. Asking for help, raising your hands and saying, hold my hands, I need help, is not from a place of weakness either. It actually is from a place of strength. So look for that help today. I'm here for you. Send me a message. My email will be attached to this post. Send me an email. Let's connect. Let's get you doing way better in 2023. Let's get you being, doing, and having the life that you want to have with no apologies in 2023. I know that I can help you get to that space. If you want to, I'm here for you. Have a wonderful day once again. I honor you. My name is Adeola. Have a wonderful day. Take care.